In this Firm 360 walkthrough, I'll show you how to use task level estimates and track time to a task within a monthly bookkeeping project. Let's take a look. I have a monthly bookkeeping project set up with task level estimates. On the Task tab, you'll see the estimated hours for each task, the actual time that is entered once we enter time, the variance from the estimate, and a progress bar to keep you on track. If you need to edit or add an estimate, just click Edit and update the estimated time field. Time tracking works just like it always does in Firm 360. You can start a timer or add time manually. Since this project has open tasks, I've logged time directly to one of them. So, if I want to add time, you will see that the progress bar has now increased to 100% complete. On the Main Projects tab, you'll also see the total estimated hours across all open tasks. In this example, I am 14% of my 7-hour estimate, and I'm hoping to finish under budget. If I log more time to a task, you will now see that the progress bar will turn red and display how far I went over. Each time you log time to a task, the Main Project tab will automatically update. On the Time Tracking tab, you'll see the tasks you've logged time to that day, along with the details of each entry. Task level estimates will also flow into reports. You'll see them reflected on timesheets, project estimates to actual, and client project hours report. Using task level estimates gives you better insight to where your team's time is going and helps keep you within budget. If you need help setting this up, email us at support@myfirm360.com. Thanks for watching.